Hi girls, today we have a work to do. Another day, another bag, and this time it will be, let's say, a classic bag, but classic only as colors. For this project I choose this chocolate brown Italian leather. It will be for the base, and I have pieces of this hair on leather. Take a look, it's a very nice leather. Here I have another piece. I will see how I will use them, and also I choose the color of the metal parts to be this one. The bag will be with a zipper closure. Also I have some zippers like this. I will use them. Maybe some other pieces to decorate the bag like this. During the work I will decide. So also studs, more or less dark brown or black color, and it will be a freestyle bag. So for this kind of bags you can unleash your imagination and you can make everything you like. So I will show you how. For this project I will use my basic pattern only for the shape, and I have to draw it like this. I will need another piece for the back, so it will be here. Again I have to draw it and to cut it. I already cut two pieces, front and back side, so I have to think about the pockets. Here I have a piece like this. I like this color here, so I will cut it this way, and maybe I will use all this part like this. Also here I have some pieces. I will use this one also because of the color here, and let's see what we can do with this part here. It could be a pocket like this, so let's try or over the pocket as a cover. Okay, let's try it like this. I kinda like it more as a cover. This one will be here, and I have to cut some pieces to make the pocket on the back side, and I think this piece will be okay. So let's use it this way. and I have to add more leather. I will use a piece of brown leather. Let's see how it will be. Okay, I will cut this piece. If it's necessary, I will trim it. It's a free form, so it will be okay. This way is perfect. So or this way, yeah, why not? I will decide and I will show you. I'm ready with the backside pocket, so I will make it this way from pieces, and here I will add this leather. I think it will be interesting, so maybe I will add some element here, but for now it will be made like this. When I fix the parts, I will show you how it will look. I sticked the pieces for my backside pocket, so it will be like this, and also here I will have this piece like this. And now I have to make the front pocket or pockets. I will see and I will show you. This pocket I have to stitch it, so I will use dark brown threads, and when I make it I will show you. I already made something with the front pocket, so I made it as a patchwork like this, but I will use a pattern, my pattern, to shape it, because I want to make this pocket a little bit different. I want to add leather all around it to be a little bit more how to say to not be flat on the bag, but to have more space to put your stuff inside, and it will be with a zipper closer, so it will look like this, let's say, and I will make the cover from these pieces. So now I have to make the whole composition and I will show you how it will look. I already made the pocket like this, so as I told you, it will have a piece all around it. Also, I will use two zippers here, and as a cover this piece made of pieces, so it will be here. Also I will add some piece here. Take a look. When I stitch all the pieces, I'm sure the picture will be clear. I already stitched the pockets, so take a look. This will be the back pocket, and it will be here. This part I will leave it, it will be stitched here, something like this. This piece will be here, and also I will cut my logo here. Maybe I will add some small pieces here. I will make it. Also, take a look. This will be the front part, and this is the pocket. Take a look. It looks interesting. So it will be here with this piece, and the zippers like this, and I also stitched a part of the cover, which one will be here. So when I add the pockets, I will show you how they will look. I just want to show you how the process is going. So on the front part I will have a pocket like this one. I really like it, and I think it could be a very nice small bag. Take a look. Yeah, so this pocket will be here on the front part. Here I will add some pieces, and the cover will be like this. I think it will be original. Here is the back side. My logo is here, a couple of pieces. As I told you, you can add more elements anytime. So now back to work to fix this pocket here like this, and I have to stitch it all around it. I already made the front part. Take a look. Just a second. Yeah, it will look like this. So here I will add something here, metal rings like this. Here it's a pocket. Take a look. It's a big roomy pocket with two zippers. Decoration. The front part of the bag is ready, so now it's time to make the side panel, which will be all around the bag. And I did it. I just sticked the pieces. So as you see, I will use here on leather, the brown leather, and I have to stitch all the pieces, and then I have to stitch it all around the bag, so it will look like this. When I make it, I will show you. I already stitched the side panel, so I will show you how the bag will look. It will be like this, something like this. So I add some pieces here. Take a look, just to decorate the bottom. So I think it's okay. And now I have to add the back side of the bag, and when I finish it, I will show you how the bag will look. My bag is ready. Take a look. This is the front part. The zipper pocket is here, also all the small stuff, and on the back it's like this. Again we have a pocket. Whoop, where is the pocket? Here. And I add two studs here just for safety. On the back side here I used leather here, this here on leather. And now I have to think about the lining, because it will be a bag with a lining inside and the strap.